Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, April the 2nd, 2020. We have a regular medium Sudoku, one regular Sudoku medium. We have additional of this paper several Sudokus. I will upload those later, but right now the regular medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a 7 in this row, the first row, a 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then a 1 in this first row. That means in this big square I cannot fill the 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here or could be there. So in the second row we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row we have a 1 over there, so in the third row the only 3 places for a 1 is here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. I can only place the 1 in this box. Alright, and then let me see, a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. I can only fill the 1 in this box. Then I cannot continue with the 1, so I go to the 3, I believe, the 3. Yes, in the third row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be in this box or in that box. But we have a 3 over there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. What I see here, 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 here. 1 box left for the 3, should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 here. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then we go to, which number can I use? The 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 6 is here and there, but I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then from 8. Let me see which number. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. I see there 2, so no 2 there. So one digit left is the 4. So here we have a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this third row for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, yes. 8 and 5, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 8 and 5, remember that, because those two numbers of this big square are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 2 goes here. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then let me see which number I can use. The 4. What can I do with the 4? No, I cannot continue with the 4, so let me see with the other digit. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be here. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for 4 is here and there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. Then these 3 numbers, missing numbers of this big square, the numbers are 2, 5, and 9. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. The 5 should be here. 1 box left for the 5. 2 and 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there. But we have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here. 1 box missing in the first column for the number 5, yes. 1 number left in the second column for the number 7, yes. And the missing numbers in the third column are the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information later. So, yes. The middle big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. No 6 in these two boxes. I see there 6. No 6 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 6. Should be this one. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 2, 8, and 9. We have an 8 there, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 8. Should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 2 is here, here or there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. Here 2, no 2 there. 2, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box remains for the for this row, for the number 9. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 3. I don't know. We have a 3. 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here, or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Then let me see these 2 numbers 8 and 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 5. Can we do something with these 2 numbers? This row, the 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. And I believe these 2 numbers of the first row are reserved for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in this row, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 1, I believe, yes. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left of this big square. For the number 5, 2 numbers left of this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. One number left of this big square for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and a 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for now, for this episode. I will see you later with the additional Sudokus. So, be patient. If I have the time, I will record it and upload it on YouTube. Yes. Thank you again and bye-bye.